Hi, my name's Kimmy Karlovich with Operative Group. Today I'd like to show you 2545 West Military Avenue in Roseburg, Oregon. This home was built as a fortress, but has a lot of comfort to it.
This unique property features a 1,350 square foot home perched above a matching 1,350 square foot shop that was expertly engineered on cement blocks and large steel I-beams. The exterior has been thoughtfully improved with a gutter system, French drains, and a reinforced dead man's retaining wall with integrated lighting, extending the driveway out 5 feet from its original footprint. Inside the home, the kitchen is highlighted by a gas stove, stainless steel appliances, and it's great for cooking, has a real open floor plan. It's even plumbed to add a small kitchen. It also has heated floors and a fresh coat of paint from top to bottom, making the space both functional and inviting. The shop itself is a standout. Inside you'll find a versatile room that could be used for an office or extra bedroom, along with a full bath. Clean, solid, and exceptionally well designed. This property offers unmatched utility with a soft touch.